Now, so that was about the nucleic acid, that it's a single-stranded, unsegmented RNA. And what is this capsid? So this nucleic acid is now within the protection of a covering, and that covering is known as the capsid. Okay, so together with the capsid, the nucleic acid is together referred to as the nucleocapsid. Okay, what is this individual units of capsid made up of? It is made up of what is called as capsomeres, which are nothing but proteins. And depending upon the arrangement of these capsomeres, so the capsid can have three kinds of symmetry. It can have what is called as icosahedral symmetry or cubical symmetry, and helical symmetry, and the complex symmetry. And here the SARS-CoV-2 or the coronavirus has got an has got an icosahedral symmetry or has got a cubical symmetry. So as you can see in this image here, so it has got this kind of symmetry, which is, it's a cross sectional view. So this is a cubical or the icosahedral symmetry. I think it's enough to know that it is having icosahedral symmetry. What exactly is icosahedral symmetry? If you want to know that, you can check up any kind of microbiology textbooks or even in the internet as to what does this mean, but I'll not take time explaining that. Okay, so and furthermore, this is an enveloped virus. See, not all the viruses have another additional layer. So in addition to this capsid that's covering the nucleic acid, the some viruses have also got an envelope around them. Okay, and what is this envelope made up of? It is made up of lipid component, which is actually derived from the host cell membrane, and the protein component, which is actually coded by the virus. Okay, so the protein components are called as the spikes or the peplomers. So the ones that you can see in the image here, so these yellow color structures are nothing but the spikes or the peplomers, and these are going to interact with the appropriate corresponding receptors on the target cells. Okay, on the target host cells, and this is going to actually mediate the adsorption or attachment of the virus to the host cell. Okay, so that is the function of the peplomers. And yeah, and why is the coronavirus called the coronavirus? It's because of the pattern of the spikes or the peplomers that it has got. So it's resembling the petals of the flower. So hence the coronavirus. Okay, yes. So next, let us talk about where does this coronavirus replicate. So the coronavirus is known to replicate in the cytoplasm. See, generally all the RNA viruses are going to replicate in the cytoplasm, whereas the DNA viruses are going to replicate in the nucleus, with an exception of pox virus. Now, that's an exception there in case of DNA viruses. So this SARS-CoV-2 is going to replicate in the cytoplasm.